Yeah, it's a good question. Does the bank have a conscience when they're lending you money? Now, whether that's a home loan or a credit card, do they think about when you'll be able to pay it off? And the answer to that is, look, no, they won't. We know that from owning credit cards that once you've got a credit card, then the periodical letters will come through, wanting to know if you'd like to increase your credit limit. And the end goal here is just to have you in debt for longer, paying higher interest rates. When it comes to home loans, I'm often surprised by some of the figures, and so are my clients, that when they go to the bank and let's say it's a husband and a wife or a couple have gone in, they're often surprised by the amount of money that the bank will lend them. Now, the terms that the banks often use are a 25-year or 30-year loan. Now, if you're a 30 going to take on a new loan, that can push you right through to 55 or age 60 or above. So the banks are quite happy for you to be in high levels of debt for as long as possible, and that means they can charge you more interest. So they're not thinking about your financial future, they're not thinking about when your loan will be paid off, and does that give you enough time to accumulate retirement assets. So at no point will a bank tap you on the shoulder and say, hey mate, that's enough debt, we think that's enough, you're not going to have enough time to accumulate retirement assets. So yeah, don't bank on the bank to look after your financial future when it comes to debt.